What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we cover how to set up C++ on Linux. All the commands from this tutorial are listed in the description below, so you can just copy and paste them. Before we install anything, let's make sure our package lists are up to date. This is always a good habit before installing new software on a Debian system. Now let's install the build essential package. This is a meta package that pulls in G++, GCC, make, and all the core libraries you need for C++ development on Debian. It's the one-stop shop for getting your toolchain ready. A compiler alone isn't enough for serious development. Let's install GDB, the GNU debugger, along with cmake, which is the industry standard build system for larger C++ projects. These tools will make your life a lot easier when things don't work as expected. All right, let's write a simple C++ program to make sure everything is working. We'll create a classic hello world program that uses IOStream for output. This is the quickest way to verify your entire toolchain is set up correctly. Now let's compile our program with G++. The -o flag lets us name the output binary. I'll also throw in the -wall flag, which enables all common warnings. Trust me, you always want warnings turned on. Then we simply run the binary. When you're debugging, you want to compile with the -g flag so GDB can map the binary back to your source code. Let me show you how to do a quick debug session. We'll set a breakpoint on main, run the program, and step through it. This is an essential skill for any C++ developer. Real projects have multiple source files. Let me show you how to use a makefile to manage compilation. We've got a main file that calls a function from a separate utils module. The make file ties it all together, so you just type make and everything compiles in the right order. Let's wrap things up by verifying everything we installed. You've now got G++ for compiling, make, and cmake for build management, and GDB for debugging. That's a complete C++ development environment right here on Debian. You're all set to start building real projects.